Welcome to the channel Maths for Graduates. Today we are going to learn what is linear differential equation and what is non-linear differential equation. So let's start. But before we get into the definition of linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation, it is very crucial to know what is dependent variable and what is independent variable. So let us see the definition of independent variable first. So independent variable, the variable to which value is assigned is known as independent variable, and dependent variable is the variable whose value is to be obtained is called dependent variable. Let us see an example. Y equals to x square plus x. Okay, in this equation, when I plug in the value of x, I get the value of y. That means here y depends on the value of x. Okay, hence y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. I hope everything is clear to you till now. Now let's proceed to the main topic of today's discussion. Let us see what is linear differential equation and what is non-linear differential equation. So let us see the definition of linear differential equation. So linear differential equation, an equation f of x, y, y prime, y double prime up to y of n. Okay, here y prime represent the derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, so here x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. Okay, so this equation f of x, y prime up to yn equals to 0 is called linear differential equation if condition number 1, all the derivatives and dependent variable are of order 1. Okay, that means y, y prime, y double prime all are must of order 1. Okay, second condition is there does not exist any product term of dependent variable and its derivative. That means y into y prime or y prime into y double prime, such kind of terms shouldn't be in equation. Then the equation is said to be linear differential equation. Okay, if any equation does not satisfy any one of the condition, then that equation will be non-linear differential equation. Okay, now let us see some examples which will make your concept more clear. In the first example, this is linear differential equation because it fulfills both the conditions. Okay, and in the second one, second example is not linear differential equation because order of y prime is 2, which is not linear. Okay, in the third example, you have to be more cautious. Don't get confused considering y as dependent variable and x as independent variable. Here in this equation, x is dependent variable and y is independent variable, and you can see here we have x square. That means order of dependent variable is not linear, hence this equation is not linear differential equation. Okay, example 4 is also non-linear differential equation because of the term sin y, which is non-linear function of dependent variable y. Fifth example is again non-linear differential equation because of the product term of dependent variable and its derivative y prime. I hope I have cleared all your doubts regarding linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation. So this video ends here. If you have learned something valuable from this video, then sure support by subscribing the channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.